Here are the top 5 Amazon picks you never knew you needed. Let's dive in.
The 2024 upgraded Saker Mini Chainsaw is a compact, cordless electric chainsaw designed for easy and efficient tree trimming and gardening. With a 6-inch blade and portable design, this handheld tool is perfect for small to medium-sized cutting tasks like pruning branches, trimming trees, and general yard maintenance. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it offers mobility and convenience without the hassle of cords. The set includes 1 battery and 2 chains, providing extra durability and backup for extended use. Its lightweight build makes it easy to handle, while still delivering power for quick, precise cuts. These outdoor and yard garden clippers are designed to make cutting work 3 times easier, ideal for individuals with arthritis or weak hands. The ergonomic design reduces strain, providing a comfortable grip for extended use. These snips are perfect for pruning flowers, trimming small branches, and general gardening tasks. Their lightweight and easy-to-use nature make them a thoughtful gardening gift, especially for those who need extra support due to hand weakness or mobility issues. Durable and efficient, they are a great addition to any gardener's toolkit. The Bug Zapper Racket is a versatile 2-in-1 rechargeable electric fly swatter designed for both indoor and outdoor use. With its powerful electric grid, it effectively eliminates mosquitoes, flies, and other flying insects on contact. The racket is lightweight, easy to handle, and features a rechargeable battery, making it convenient for long-term use without constantly replacing batteries. Perfect for outdoor activities like camping or barbecues, as well as indoor use, this mosquito swatter ensures a bug-free environment with minimal effort. It's a practical tool for quick, efficient pest control. This gardening tool set of 9 is designed for both amateur and experienced gardeners. It includes heavy-duty hand tools made with durable materials, perfect for tasks such as digging, weeding, and planting. Each tool features a non-slip rubber grip for comfort and ease of use, even during long gardening sessions. The set also comes with a large, durable garden bag that conveniently holds all the tools, keeping them organized and easily accessible. Ideal as a thoughtful gift for gardening enthusiasts, both women and men, this set makes gardening tasks more efficient and enjoyable. The Bug Assault Yellow 3.0 is a fun and effective tool for pest control. This unique gadget uses ordinary table salt to fire a small blast, allowing you to target and eliminate flies and other small insects with ease. It's designed for indoor and outdoor use, featuring a more accurate and powerful design compared to previous versions. With an improved trigger mechanism and safety features, it offers precise shooting without causing damage to surfaces. The Bug Assault 3.0 is perfect for those looking for a non-toxic and entertaining way to keep their space bug-free.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out our other videos for more amazing gadgets. See you next time.